Well, Richard Feynman was an incredible scientist, but perhaps even more importantly, he was an amazing teacher. I'd read the Feynman lectures on physics. I learned a lot of the physics I know from that book. He could explain things in a fun and interesting way to anyone.
Things happen that don't happen the other way. You drop a cup and it breaks, and you can sit there a long time waiting for the pieces to come together, come back into your hand.
Cornell invites him to give this series of lectures. And it's Feynman explaining physics to non-physics majors. It's so good. And for me, those are the best sort of general audience thing that Feynman ever did. So I've always recommended those lectures. I helped get them up on the internet. And because he had pushed himself to have such a deep understanding, his ability to take you through complicated things was incredible. And he's the only one who's really succeeded in explaining quantum physics in a clear way. Taking something that is a little mysterious to most people and using very simple concepts to explain how it works. Well, that's classic Feynman. He made science so fascinating. He reminded us how much fun it is and how there really are answers. He's such a joyful example of how we'd all like to learn and think about things.
It's a very interesting thing, this tremendous world of interconnecting hierarchies. We are gradually understanding this connection, proving all the time our understanding of the world.